Okay, this is problem 4, and it's classifying costs in a service company. And sometimes I have a hard time figuring out what a service company is. And these are the costs for the Wisconsin and Minnesota Railroad. Now, I wouldn't have thought of a railroad as a service company, but they don't produce a product, right? They provide a service of shipping freight. So they're a short hauler of freight. That's what they are. So I guess that means short trips. I'll classify each cost as either indirect or direct. So I think these are tricky. I put the answers over here because I think they're hard. But for purposes of classifying each cost, use the train as the cost object. Okay, boy, that helps a lot. That makes a big difference. So the train. So the cost to lease railroad cars, for sure, that's direct. Can you see those? That's direct. Okay. Cost of the track in the bed, that would be indirect. Okay. Diesel fuel, that keeps the train going, so that would be direct. Cost to lease or rent the locomotives, that's direct. Okay. Depreciation of the terminal, indirect. You can't, that's indirect to the train. Maintenance on right-of-way, bridges, and buildings, indirect. Salaries of dispatching and communications personnel, indirect. Headquarters of information technology support, for sure, indirect. Safety training costs, indirect. Wages of the train engineers, direct. Okay, wages of switch and classification yard personnel would be indirect. And costs of the accident cleanup, oh boy, that would be indirect too. Now, the first time I did this, I didn't read that sentence. And I thought, oh boy, this is tough. So that's what you needed to know. All right.